I made shawarma bread or shawarma wrap today, and it turned out really nice. You can see the way I'm folding it and it's not tearing apart. That shows you how really good it is, and it's tasted really nice. Welcome back. You need 3 cups of flour, then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We also go in with 2 teaspoons of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon is smaller than tablespoon, so tablespoon is bigger. Then we go in with 1 cup of water, and also added 2 tablespoons of butter. So you turn it and you can use your hand like I did here. So if you want the recipe to be more than this, you want to produce more shawarma bread, you can double the recipes. Or if you don't want as much as this, you can also reduce it, maybe to make 1.5 cup, then use like half of the other ingredients. So after mixing it together, you have to knead it until it is stretchy, like the way I'm doing it now. You can add flour to avoid sticking with your fingers. Then you continue to knead until you get that stretchy texture. It's really a lot of work. I think I needed this for like maybe 10 minutes or thereabouts, but it's really a serious work. You have to continue kneading and kneading. And I must tell you that it's actually tasted better than the normal one they sell at the supermarkets. Like, and you also know where you are eating and all of that. So you cut it. At this point, you can decide to cover it and let it rest for like 30 minutes, but I did not. I decided to do it at the next round. So you cut it into 4, then cut each into 2, the way I did here. So this particular one, I could say that it was small, so I had to add, and my cutting is not even equal. Like, I'm just saying it right now that it's not actually not equal. So you cut it, then you form it into, you shape it into ball shapes like this. Arrange it in your bowl. You can use a bigger bowl. I don't even know why I used a flat plate. So you can use a bigger bowl, then arrange it inside and cover it. You can cover it with another bowl or clear film like I did here, then allow it to rest for like 30 minutes. I think I eventually let it fry for like 40 minutes or thereabouts. So you cover it and just put it in one corner and let it rest there without shaking for like 30-40 minutes. The link of how to make shawarma will be up here, so I'll leave it here. So after 40 minutes, this is it. You have to bring it out and try to flatten it gently. You make it very thin. You can do it in circle. You can do the flattening in circle, but because of my space, I have a very small space, and also the rolling pin is big, so there was no way I could just do it in circle. You can do it in circle to get a perfect shape, or you can do it, just make sure that it's flattened and it's light. You can see how light it is. Then your pan is already on fire. Like, preheat your pan for like until it's hot before you now go in with your, take your time to arrange it the way I did here. So when you start seeing bubbles, little bubbles, that means it's done. Please, you have to be careful here so that you don't overcook it. If you overcook it, will be very hard and you won't be able to fold it the way I folded it here. I'll leave the link on how to make shawarma up here so you can check it out. I also make a live video using this exact shawarma bread to make shawarma on live. You can check my live videos. I can also drop it in the description box. This shawarma wrap or bread, you can use it to make chicken wraps or anything wrap and put any filling of your choice. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and comment and share. This helps a lot. Also, let me know where you're watching me from in the comment section. Bye bye.